Just look at these pancakes. So fluffy, soft, and they smell absolutely amazing. Perfect for a cozy breakfast. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients. Just 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of yogurt, some sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla sugar, baking powder, a little oil, and flour. Mix until the batter is thick and smooth. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. Heat a pan with a bit of oil over medium heat. Spoon the batter into the pan and cook until you see bubbles on top. Flip them and cook until they're golden on the other side. That's it. Quick, easy, and so delicious. If you have just 1 egg and a few spoons of yogurt, you really should try this recipe. Finish with a sprinkle of powdered sugar or a spoon of jam. Just look at how fluffy and fragrant these pancakes are. Absolutely irresistible.